Here's today's quick tip. Did you know that you can organize your custom boxes a little bit better than working with them in config, one section, one box at a time? You can actually go to the Help menu and select Allow Drag and Drop Between Boxes. This will give you a warning message that you need to use the right mouse button, not the left, to click to drag and drop. The feature is a little finicky right now and may occasionally crash D7.2. So when you're finished organizing the boxes, please return to this menu and disable the feature for stable operation. Okay, once you click OK here, drag and drop is enabled. So if I wanted to put my Viper Rescue Scanner in this column, I can do so just by clicking with the right mouse button, dragging and dropping. Now I can move it to where it needs to be, or I can put it back. Once you're finished, go to Help, uncheck Allow Drag and Drop. You will not receive a confirmation, and you're good to go. Here's one more quick tip before I end this video. Above each custom box you have on each tab, there is a label. That label probably says something like Repair 1, Repair 2, and Repair 3. As you can see here, I've changed mine to say Third-Party Apps, where I have all of my third-party tools organized, Windows Repair, where I have all of my internal D7 repair functions organized, and Networking Repair, where I have all of my internal D7 networking repair functions organized. You can pretty much do this with most tabs, or any tab rather with more than one custom box on it, like Maintenance, which I have automated, and manual to differentiate my different maintenance boxes, and similar for malware removal. I have Audit Diag and QA testing. So let's show you now how to change these. It's quite simple. Go to Main and Config and Custom Apps. And now under the Assign App/Function to section, you have your different sections that you can click on, and right beside them is a box where you can type in how you want to name that section. Once you save and exit, your names take effect.